Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So I felt inspired yesterday when I was thinking about what videos I wanted to film and what content I wanted to put out for you to do a video where I show you a really quick, really easy makeup look. And my reason for doing this is I know most of us are stuck at home right now, which, you know, that's a good thing. But it's really easy when you are at home to just morph into a sloth where you just aren't getting dressed and you aren't getting ready. And I wanted to do a really quick, really easy makeup routine where you can just feel a little bit more put together just so you feel human, or if you're like me and are taking a bunch of video calls for meetings or checking in with family and friends, you just feel a little bit more put together. The whole idea behind this makeup look is to be really quick, really easy. It's not a high coverage makeup look, it's just something to look a little bit more put together. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, be sure to stay tuned. I'm going to be using a bunch of non-toxic, cruelty-free makeup products that I absolutely love. So let's just jump right in. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my Kosas Tinted Oil Foundation. This is a foundation that I could apply with my hands or with my brush. So if you just want something really fast and really easy, you can use a product like this and just apply it with your hands. Also, what I really like about this too is it does provide coverage and evens out my skin tone, but it's still really lightweight because with this makeup look, we're going for really fast, really easy, really simple, and you want more lightweight products if you are trying to use a more full coverage foundation. It's going to look really weird if you don't really do the rest of your makeup, and also full coverage foundations just take more work to blend and get to look natural. So I find a product like this to be a lot more forgiving and also just fits in better with this type of makeup style. So instead of going in with a blush and a highlighter, I'm just going to go in with a more glowy cream blush that kind of gives you the two-in-one effect of highlighter and blush. And so what I'm going to be using today is one of my all-time favorite blushes. This is the Olioso Balm. I have the shade in number 9. I really recommend something that's very lightweight, that's not too pigmented, to really look like you're not wearing makeup, but you are. And this product is just really fast and really easy to apply. I love using cream products for this type of makeup look because they're super fast, super easy, and just really forgiving. Next, we're gonna go in with a bit of concealer because I've got some dark circles. I definitely recommend doing a little bit of concealing under your eyes. I'm also gonna conceal some acne spots. They're healing, but you know, they're still hanging out and they're peeking through a little bit. I'm gonna be using the Aaron's Faces concealer and just doing a little bit of concealing where I need it. I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes really quickly using the Fortini setting powder just to hold everything in place. I'm going to quickly dust my face with a bit of the Clove and Hallow Powder Foundation. If you have drier skin, you probably can just go ahead and skip this step. I have really oily skin, so I always like to just get a little bit of setting powder on my face so everything doesn't move around, so it holds in place a little bit better. And I'll just apply this mainly on my T-zone. I want to leave my cheeks nice and glowy. A lot of facial features don't really show up on video calls super well, but I've noticed brows are definitely one that does, just because it's normally a higher contrast between your skin and your brows. So I do like to do a little bit of slaying with my brows. My kind of everyday brow routine has really been just using a tinted brow gel and running that through my brows, which is perfect for this kind of look. It's not going to give you the full filled in brows that you would get if you used a pencil, but it is really fast and really easy. Right now I've been reaching for the Pacifica Highest Def Hemp Fiber Brow Gel. I have a video reviewing this and a whole bunch of other Pacifica products, which I will link up above for you guys. But I'm going to be using the shade Light for my brows today. You can definitely skip the step, but I just personally enjoy doing this. This is completely optional. I like to just pop on a liquid eyeshadow onto my eyelids to just give my eyes a little bit of extra definition, a little bit of sparkle. That's what I like to do. And I'm going to be using the Aaron's Faces liquid eyeshadow in Eclipse today. What I like about liquid eyeshadow so much is you can just blend them out with your fingers. You can do one eyeshadow looks. It's like the fastest, easiest way to put on eyeshadow. If you really want to put on eyeshadow, but you don't want to go through the whole blending out with a brush and using multiple shades, liquid eyeshadows are the way to go. To finish giving your eyes a bit of definition, I 1000% recommend mascara. If you're gonna break down this routine and you don't even want to put on foundation or concealer or anything like that, I recommend brows, mascara, and then some sort of lip product. I am going to curl my lashes first. I'm going to be using my Plume Lash Curler. And then I'm going to be going in with my Ilia Limitless mascara. This mascara is a good one for this because you can build it up to be more intense, but you can also get it to look more natural, which is the direction I'm going to head for today. Finally, some lipstick. Why not go for a fun lipstick? I mean, we're stuck at home, you know, a fun lipstick is going to translate well on video if you're, for instance, in a video call, and also it's just fun. When you look in the mirror and you see yourself walking around your house, you're gonna see yourself with a fun lipstick on, so might as well do that. Today I'm going to be using the RMS Wild with Desire lipstick in Pretty Vacant. I really love this color. I just don't reach for it that often, but it's a really fun springy color. I'm trying to feel like it's spring, even though it's quite cold in Boston, even though I'm stuck inside. So there you have it, a really easy look to just look a little bit more put together for yourself, for calls, whatever. Just take this time to take care of yourself and do things that you enjoy. And if that means putting on makeup, then put on makeup just for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me. Comment down below, make a friend in the comment section. There are so many awesome people that I've gotten to know through my channel and through my Instagram, and I highly recommend this is a great time to make some internet friends. So find a friend down below in the comment section, just say hi, say where you're from. If there's someone whose channel or Instagram that you've been admiring, now's a great time to just DM them and be like, hey, want to be friends. It's a great time to get to know each other, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this just gave you a break, something fun to do and think about. My thoughts are with all of you, and I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy and doing the best they can in this situation. And a special shout out to all the moms out there and dads who are at home with their kids. My husband and I have talked about that so many times. We are so grateful right now that we don't have kids, because I honestly couldn't fathom having kids at this point in this situation, and I honestly don't know what I would do. And I just want to let you know that I'm thinking about you, and you're doing awesome. Even though it may not feel like it, you are doing awesome, and this situation is tough for everyone in their own ways. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel so you can hang out with me more. Also check me out on Instagram. I've been trying to post more on there as well. I'm at Naturally Beautiful Girl, so if you want to just hang out, have some more fun content, check me out there. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!